Are you confused about moisturisers? Would you like to know what works best on your skin? Are you even using one? I'm Rochelle from Skin Mart. We have hundreds of products for you to choose from, and it can be really overwhelming. So I'm here to make sense of it all and to help you choose a product that works best to make your skin look and feel amazing. We all want healthy skin, right? Well, a moisturiser will get it. It's that simple. Moisturisers hydrate your skin, making it a happy, healthy, functioning skin. But it can also help combat a range of concerns. It can repair the skin, help lighten dark spots, it can help control oil production and mattify, and also help improve the appearance of lines. But it is important to choose a moisturiser designed to target the particular challenges of your skin. So what should you be looking for? Well, dry skins need nourishing, oil-based ingredients that will put back what your skin is lacking, which is oil. Look for products that have ingredients such as vitamin E, shea butter, and squalene. Dehydrated skins are lacking water, so they need ingredients to help replace that lost moisture. Look for hyaluronic acid. This is the #1 ingredient that fights dehydration. With oily skins, a moisturiser should help mop up excess oil, yet still hydrate the skin with moisture to keep it balanced. Look for hyaluronic acid to hydrate and niacinamide, which is a form of vitamin B that helps control the oil production. Now, sensitive skins need calming and protecting ingredients to repair and strengthen the skin's barrier. Look for products with vitamin B5, lavender, and zinc to heal and protect a sensitive skin. If you are acne prone, look for a moisturiser that prevents dehydration, as this leads to excess oil production. But we also need anti-inflammatory ingredients as well as antibacterial. Look for salicylic acid to mop up oil and Canadian willow herb to calm and soothe the skin. So if you're looking for an effective moisturiser that hydrates, protects, be sure to choose one specifically designed for your skin type. And please, for best results, use it every day and night. If you would like help choosing the correct moisturiser, please reach out to us via our website.